Welcome back. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're subscribed. Today I'm just going to be giving a review on Skinscript. First, I'm going to be going in with my charcoal clay cleanser with the kaolin. It is infused with charcoal and kaolin clay to absorb environmental toxins. Now, I feel like this is best for my skin because I have combination skin. Not only do I have combination skin, but I also have acne prone skin. So the charcoal just helps fight breakouts and helps to make sure that any pores that might be clogged are able to get cleansed and just renewed through me double cleansing with the charcoal clay cleanser. One of my favorite things about the Skinscript products, just in general, not even just the cleansers, but it has like fruity ingredients to the point to where it makes the cleansers and the moisturizers smell so good. Like, it literally feels like you're cleansing your face with fruit. And this one, it has eucalyptus globulus leaf oil and citrus paradise, which in other words is pink grapefruit. And when I say the smell is amazing, like whenever I do a facial, I always get compliments on the different smells of the cleansers and moisturizers because it's just such a fruity, refreshing smell. So if I had to say one of my favorite things about the cleanser, it would be the smell. So as I stated before, one of the most important major key points of the charcoal clay cleanser is it helps to remove impurities and dirt from the skin. It improves its texture and appearance. So this is great for if you have acne prone skin. And the kaolin absorbs sebum and prevents pore clogging. So another great component for if you have acne prone skin. I would say that my skin has drastically improved over the course of the past, I want to say, year. If you go back to my older video when I did my first facial when I was enrolled in esthetician school, I was using their products back then, and then once I graduated I started using Skinscript once I was able to purchase my own products for my business. And you can see the difference from my skin back then in my older videos compared to now, and it's a drastic difference. Don't get me wrong, I still have my breakouts, but overall my skin is more radiant, my pores are less clogged, and you can just see a major difference. Lastly, I'm going to be going in with the Cactine Balancing Moisturizer. Now, this is perfect for combination skin as well because it also has those characteristics that you would need for both oily and dry skin. It balances the surface lipids in water with the healing properties of prickly pear cactus and the fatty acids in olive oil. So both of the main key ingredients, I would say, is the prickly pear cactus and the olive oil. The prickly pear cactus is best for acne prone skin, dry skin, sensitive or inflamed skin. So again, my cleanser and my moisturizer that I'm using today are based on my skin type, which is acne prone skin and combination skin. So this would help with the dry side of things. The olive oil serves as a second skin barrier for dry skin, cracked skin, and it's also an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. And we have reached the end. This is my review on the Skinscript products that I use. I do have a different routine that I do at night, and it includes a different cleanser and moisturizer. So comment if you would like to see that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you again for watching.